a sunset view. I'll make it so you're gonna want to. Get your arms involved with me. I'm the river when I get empty.
Hey guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing another day in my life vlog. I love filming these types of videos. Today is Tuesday, August 21st. I feel like I always film days in my life on Tuesdays, but yeah, we're just gonna vlog the day, see what we get into. I am super excited because for today's video I'm partnering with FabFitFun to show you guys their fall box and talk to you a little bit about the brand. So if you've never heard of FabFitFun, which I'm sure you have by now, it is a seasonal subscription box. So you're gonna get 4 boxes a year, and it comes with a ton of full-size products relating to beauty, fashion, food, lifestyle, fitness, everything that I'm obsessed with. The box comes with $200 worth of products, but you get it for $49.95, which is insane. I don't even know how that works. And then on top of that, I have a code for you guys. If you use code MC10 at checkout, you'll get $10 off your first box. The full-size product thing is definitely a huge plus. I've tried other subscription boxes that give you a bunch of samples, which those are fun too, but I prefer to really test out a product for a long time, and FabFitFun lets you do that. And subscription boxes are just so much fun. It's like getting a Christmas present every season, and you don't know what's inside, and it's so fun. So here is my fall box. I have not opened it yet. I've been waiting to unbox it on camera, so I'm like dying to see what's inside. The outside of the box itself got me so excited for fall. As much as I love summer, by the time it gets to mid-August, I'm like, okay, I'm ready for sweater weather. I'm over it. So when you open it, this is what the box looks like. It's so cute. So the first thing in the box is just this little magazine. This box is in like collab with Christina Applegate and her foundation for like helping women and breast cancer research, so this will talk a little bit more about that. First thing I see is a coupon for $3 off Luna bars on Amazon. I love Luna bars. I'm gonna use this. Okay, so when you open it up, oh my god, I'm freaking out. This is what you see. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The first thing you see is a Luna bar. I love these. This is the salted caramel nuts flavor. I'm gonna be trying some of these products throughout this vlog so you can see them in action. I'm probably gonna eat this later. Okay, the next thing I see is super exciting. We have 2 Glam Glow bubble sheet masks. Oh my gosh, are these the ones that like make you look crazy and all like bubbly? I think so. They make you glow, detoxify, purify, all of that good stuff. So we have 2 of these to try out. That's so amazing. Glam Glow is so expensive. The next thing I see, oh my god, we have a beauty blender. This is perfect. My old beauty blender is like disgusting. I need a new one. This is the Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream. Ooh, cute packaging. Okay. A nourishing, non-greasy facial moisturizer that noticeably improves skin hydration levels without leaving residual oil or shine on the skin. We love her. Next up, I see the Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Ooh, I bet this smells good. That smells really good. Fall vibes for sure. Okay, next up, there is this. Ooh, it's an umbrella. Cute. I see this guy. This is the Yoga Detox Bath. It's like a bath salt. I'm obsessed with baths and like trying different bath salts and bubble baths and bath bombs and all that kind of stuff. So this is a post-practice relaxing soak ritual made with Greek I can't say that word, mastia, Mediterranean sea salt, and goji berry extract for active minds and bodies. Wow, I'm so excited to try this. Maybe I'll take a bath later, who knows. Okay, oh my god, there's like so much stuff. Like you genuinely get so much in this box, and it's $49.95. That's insane. Like the beauty blender itself is like $20. Okay, next thing I see is a towel. Ooh, I think these are like hand towels. I'm gonna give these to my mom. We're gonna put these in the kitchen. Ooh, they're so nice. They're from the brand Simply Whimsical. They're really nice quality and like really cute. Next up we have this. What is this? Ooh, okay, this is by Crown Pro makeup brushes. Okay, so you get this like makeup brush little pack. Stop. Oh my, they're so soft. That's so cool. I genuinely like needed more makeup brushes. The last thing in the box is this big guy. It's from Alfred and it's a ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Okay, so Alfred Tea Room is the first shop of its kind. They have 2 shops in Tokyo. Oh my god, it's so cute. Ooh. Okay, this is perfect because I only drink tea in the fall and the winter. I'm like a big chai tea girl. This looks so cool. It's like a little teapot and you lift the lid up and it has the little strainer. So freaking cute. Okay, we have a lot of products to try out in this vlog. Thank you again to FabFitFun for sending this over. I'm obsessed with everything. Make sure to go check out their website down below. The fall box is amazing. Okay, so I'm going to get brunch right now with my friend Madison. We are obsessed with this restaurant in Summit, New Jersey. It's like a Greek restaurant. I'm sure their Greek food is great, but they have the best crepes ever. And then take some cute Instagram pictures in Summit. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, I'm back home now from brunch. I need to film some videos today. 2 haul videos. My Lulu's haul will already be up on my channel by the time this video is up, so if you haven't seen that already, go check it out. This top is from there. It's super cute. So I'm gonna do that. I have to edit some photos. I took a bunch, so I'm gonna work on that now because I have to post today. And yeah. I'm gonna try this Luna bar from my FabFitFun box. Yummy. I used to eat a Luna bar every single day when I was in high school. They're such a good snack to like throw in your backpack. Alright guys, so I finished filming my Lulu's haul. I'm probably gonna start editing that now so that I can post it tomorrow. So that'll take me an hour or 2. I'm gonna cook dinner for my dad and I. My mom's out of town this week, so I'm gonna cook us dinner. One of my goals for the fall is going to be to learn how to cook, or at least learn more like simple, easy, lazy girl recipes that like I'll actually do. Also, speaking of goals, do you guys want to see another goals video? I always like set a list of goals for like each school semester or like summer or whatever. So I did like my summer 2018 goals and made a video about it. Do you guys want to see one for fall 2018? Let me know. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go start editing and I'll catch up with you guys when it's time to make dinner. Okay, so I just finished editing this video. I'm uploading it to YouTube now. Okay, so I went to Trader Joe's yesterday and I got this tempura cauliflower. It looks really good. You just bake it in the oven, so it's like super easy. And then I have these like brown rice packs that you just make in the microwave. So that's what's for dinner. Alright guys, so I'm done with dinner now. It was really good. I highly recommend trying that meal out. So now I really want to test out this bath salt thing that came in my FabFitFun box. So I'm going to take a bath and probably going to use the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask that was also in my box. So I'm excited. Gonna relax, unwind. Yay! Okay guys, so I just got out of my bath. My skin feels great. That was a really fun mask, but I wanted to try out the moisturizer that came in the box too, because why not? So this is the Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream. It smells so good. Ooh, I really like it, you guys, like no joke. It smells so good. It is now a little past 8. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I don't really have any plans for the rest of the night. I'm gonna catch up on some YouTube videos because I'm so behind on my feed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out FabFitFun. I'm obsessed with my fall box, and you can feel free to use my code to save $10 off your first box. So I'll have my code, the link, everything you need down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've been posting a lot lately, so make sure you're all caught up. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel a boss. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the make